Autodraw, and Autodraw and Quickdraw. It's kind of like I'm going to show you how to draw. So the first thing on Autodraw is there are two options here, draw and Autodraw. So I selected Autodraw here. So now I'm going to draw a car. And this Autodraw app is created by AI. I'm not very good at drawing a car on virtual platform like this Autodraw app. So when you click on Autodraw mode, you can find many options of a car. So for now, I'm going to choose a race car, Formula 1. Okay, little bit zoom in to do that. So there are 5 options for zoom. One is 100%, second 150, third 200%, fourth 250%, and fifth 300%. So for now I'm going to choose 150%. And now I'm going to color inside of this thing. So we need to click on fill option for that. Then we are able to color inside it. And for the background, I do something like green. See, green. Now I'm going to show you another option called draw here. Draw, you can adjust the thickness of your pencil. But now I'm going to set it in medium mode. See? Some clouds. This is just an example. Now I'm going to make it very thin. See? Now a little bit like this. So I'm going to click on Autodraw, just do this and see whatever comes. I'm going to choose there's so many options to choose from. So I'm going to choose this sphere. And see, there's a select option here. You need to select the picture and you can make it very fat, you can make it very thin. You can adjust it. You can adjust the shapes, like if you want to make it sleeping or upside down. You can make it tall, you can make it tiny. Now I'll show you something good. Now let me show you another icon called shapes icon. I selected a circle, a square, and now I'm gonna choose a triangle. Triangle there, a triangle there, and let me show you how to draw and quick draw. After opening it, it'll come like this. I need to press on let's draw, and for each thing you draw, they give you a comment. Draw a key. Okay, you need to draw a thing under 20 seconds, and that's the rule of the game. This is a game, okay?
I see street light, or moon, or circle, or donut. I see avocado, or lollipop, or balloon, or satellite. Oh, I know, it's key.
So now I need to draw a rabbit under 20 seconds. Let's see how do I do it.
I see garden hose, or baseball bat, or the Great Wall of China. I see snake, or fork, or pliers. I see lobster. I see dragon, or squirrel. Sorry, I couldn't guess it. Watch. Or animal migration. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
So I got 4 out of 5 correct. So that's for today.